Transform your tired-looking curls with Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Strengthen, Grow and Restore Shampoo plus Conditioner plus Leave-In Conditioner, available in 13 ounces, 13 ounces, 11 ounces. It is ideal for straight type 1 hair, wavy type 2 hair, curly type 3 hair, or kinky type 4 hair. Made with certified shea butter, Jamaican black castor oil, peppermint and apple cider vinegar, this collection repairs, moisturizes, promotes and strengthens hair strength. The sulfate-free Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo removes buildup and adds moisture. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner makes your hair softer and smoother, and Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner softens and detangles hair while controlling frizz. This collection contains no sulfates, phthalates, parabens, formaldehyde, mineral oil, petroleum and animal testing. Get the complete lineup of this collection at Cosmetize UK.